Break ID number 3799. 2018 XR Football 4-box break. Here's the alphabetical list. Go. Hey, Garrett. Hey, Bobby. Anthony LAU and Jared YE with free spots. Anthony, I may change your username so that it is just 2 letters. If you have a preference, let me know. Just send me an email. Otherwise, I'll just see what's available. Box 1. Marcus Davenport to 99. Tom Brady to 299. Taylor Lewin to 49. And triple relic auto Christian Kirk. Arizona, Aaron CU. MJ Stewart to 99. Odin Tate to 299. Kiki triple jersey to 99. Houston, Kevin J.O. The other Chronicles, 2018 Chronicles just sold out, so I'm adding another one. And Mark Andrews auto to 199. Baltimore, Aaron CU. Hold on 1 second. J.J. Watt to 299. DeAndre Hopkins to 199. John Riggins to 99. Anthony Miller, triple relic auto to the Bears. Anthony, LAU. Oops, Jameson Crowder to 299. Jimmy Garoppolo to 99. Triple relic, or triple jersey. Ryan Tannehill, Kenyon Drake, Kalen Ballage to 99. Miami. Michael A.P. And...
Boring!
Jeez. That goes to whoever has the next card. Giants. Chris, J.O. Doug Baldwin to 299. Julian Edelman to 199. Jaleel Scott to 99. Wow. Jumbo patch 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 color patch auto. Ronald Jones to 49. Buccaneers. Matthew H.R. Triple jersey Aaron Rodgers, Jamon Moore, Devontae Adams to 99. Green Bay, Nick, B.O. Yeah, I noticed that, Jimmy. There is another one up there, though. Unless even that one's gone. Green Bay is, did I already say? Nick, B.O. Yep, I did. Mark Andrews, orange parallel auto to 49. There's 2 different years up there. Baltimore. Aaron C.U. Wow, okay, so I'll add another one. Just takes me a second. All right, it's up there. Last box. Hey, Daniel. Good to see you, Jimmy, by the way. Zeke X Factor to 99. Cortland Sutton, 2-color patch auto to 25. Hey, James. Denver. Matthew HR. Last pack. Tom Brady base. Tannehill gold to 10. Miami. Michael AP. Harrison Smith to $2.99. Triple relic to 49. Traquan Smith. Saints. Aaron CU. And oh my word.
Boring.
Give me a break. Try to. Hey, Donnie. That goes to whoever has New England. That is Jory WH. All right.